How to open Instagram account in easy steps. Step 1. Download the Instagram app. To open an Instagram account, you will first need to download the Instagram app on your smartphone or tablet. You can find it in the App Store on your device. Once you have found the app, click on the download or install button. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. Enter the required information and click Next. Step 3. Choose a username and password. After you have entered your email or phone number, you will need to choose a unique username and password for your Instagram account. Try to choose something memorable that represents you or your brand. Step 4. Complete your profile. Once you have created your account, you can start to complete your profile. Upload a profile picture, add a bio, and connect your Instagram account to your other social media accounts. Step 5. Start following others and posting content. Now that you have set up your account, you can start following other Instagram users and posting your own content. Use hashtags to make your content discoverable and engage with your followers to grow your audience. And that's it. You now know how to open an Instagram account in easy steps. Enjoy sharing your content with the world.